I'm filming the REALME X3 SuperZoom, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, simply open up the settings, go all the way to the bottom and find additional settings, and from here we should have backup and reset, and again at the bottom, erase all data, factory reset, erase all data. Now if you have some kind of pattern, you will have to confirm it. If you don't, then you will see automatically this page right here. Stop on erase data. It will give you here a message that you will lose basically everything that you have on the device, including pictures, photos, videos, all the personal content. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before. Otherwise, tap on erase data and the process will now begin. Now this will take about a minute or two, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.